Hello, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing for free in 2021 using 100% free traffic. So I'm going to be showing you a bunch of free traffic sources, and some of these I've never talked about them and how you can use them effectively. I'm going to be showing you how to find those ClickBank products that are not oversaturated and have a low competition. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a ClickBank account. If you don't already have one, it's free. And the most important thing to do is to always ensure that you're finding low competition products in underserved niches. So these are niches that are not talked about as much, that they are not so much saturated, and they have products that have uh, that are quite high quality, and they have a decent commission. So the one I found here is this piano for all, and I'm going to be showing you how to promote this offer for free, and you're going to be using 100% free traffic. There's no paid ads, so you're going to be using 100% free organic traffic. So the first thing we need to do is to head over to the JV page, or whatever they call the affiliate page. So this is the affiliate page, and you can see they have a bunch of resources here. I'm going to be showing you how to even promote this offer. If you decide to promote this exact offer, I'm going to be showing you an additional method that you can use if you stick around to the end of this video. So that is something you should stick around for. So the first thing we need to do is to find where it says keywords and SEO. So we're gonna click on that. So they explain everything, what you're supposed to do, negative keywords, whatever. We're not interested in running ads. So what we need to do is to look at these keywords here. So these are the keywords. So the keyword I really liked is play piano. Where is it at? Play the piano. So this one, play the piano. So let's say we want to promote this product, but we don't have an idea of we don't know how to play the piano, and we have never played the piano, we have never owned one. I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and find those videos, find those articles that are teaching you yourself how to play the piano, so that you can teach those other people and then refer them to this course, and once they sign up you get paid. So how do we do that? Simple. We're going to head over to Quora is the first website we're going to be using. So we can use Quora, we can use a bridge page or a website which we can create for free using Medium, using Google Sites, Blogger. I've talked about all those platforms in the past. You can go back and watch those videos if you want to know how to use any or all of them. So I've talked about all of them in the past. Go ahead and watch any of those videos. I'll also link to them in the cards or in the description down below. So let's say we wanted to promote this offer and we don't want to write any articles, or we don't want to write anything that like a blog article. We don't want to own a website. We don't want to create a blog, a website, or a WordPress website. We don't want to create a Medium article. We can head over to Quora and search for these questions that people are searching for on Quora, and there will be a high chance that these questions are also ranking on Google. Let me show you what I mean. So if we look at this first question here, I've talked about this method in one of the previous videos. I will leave a link to that as well so that you can watch it. So you see here we have a question: what is the best way to teach yourself to play piano? 100 to 250 weekly searches. I'm assuming it's even more than that because the question ranks on Google as well and other search engines, so it's gonna be more than that. So if we open up that question, so this is the question here, and you can see that there are over 100 plus answers, and these people are getting huge traffic to their question, and they're not promoting anything. So let's assume that you have been on Quora and you've been answering questions step each and every single day, and you built up that trust with the platform. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a link to our landing page. So we're going to use a landing page which you can create for free using ConvertKit or any other landing page software that you want. So we're going to need a landing page. So once we have the landing page ready to go, we're going to answer this question. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Google and search for that very question. So we don't know how to play piano. So you can see the first result here is teaching people how to teach themselves to play piano in 10 steps. You can read this article here, open it up so that you can see what they're talking about. So if you don't have any idea of what they're talking about, you can just come here, read through and see what they're talking about, and just rewrite that in your own words. So they're talking about the notes, and if you don't know anything about the piano, this will teach you yourself. Watch this video, learn what they're talking about, then come back to Quora and write the best answer you can ever write for this very question. So this will help your answer stand out. You need to add an image at the top before even you start writing. So these people are not adding any images to their question, so it will help you stand out. So add an image at the top even before you start writing your answer, so that you stand out. So once you add the image, start answering the question using the knowledge you have gained from this article here. And you can see, let's hit back Google, and you can see that Quora is already showing up. So if you answer this question, people who are searching this keyword, they will find your answer on Quora via Google. So that's the way you get that free organic traffic, and this traffic is forever and ever. It will continue so long as your answer stays on Quora at any time. So ensure that you are making the best answer you can ever write on Quora, and it stands out. The more your answer is more in-depth and valuable, people will upvote it, and it will take up the top spot for this very question. So you can see this person got 11,000 views and 24 upvotes for just writing this simple quote. And 9 times out of 10, people who answer these questions have no idea. They just copy content from a particular website and paste it here just to get views on Quora. But you should not do that, because that's you are using other people's content. You should just rewrite it in your own words. So that is something to keep in mind. Then what you can do is you can also write an article on Medium, Google Sites, targeting this very keyword. And as we checked the Google search engine, we saw that there's no Medium article targeting this very keyword. So if you use Medium, Google Sites, Blogger, you can go onto this first page here easily, because there's nobody who is using those platforms to rank for this very keyword. This is the importance of finding those low competitive niches, because it's going to be easy to rank. You don't need to have 1,000 backlinks. You don't need to own a website. You can use a free website. Just write this article, may give valuable information. Another way you can even find out more about the topic is by watching the videos that are already showing up here. And speaking of video, you can go head over to YouTube and choose a video, any that's ranking for this very keyword. So this person is talking about 14 ways to learn. So if we head over into the description of this very video, they are promoting an Amazon, I think they are promoting the Amazon keyboard, and they also have a workbook. So this person has made a lot of money through the Amazon link, and he's also collecting leads for his workbook. So that's another effective way. And speaking of video, you can also create a video. I'm going to talk about that later, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to answerthepublic.com and type in a bunch of keywords to even generate more keyword ideas. So I went over to this website, Answer the Public. I put in the word play piano to find more keyword ideas I could write articles about. So you can see here they have, let me click over to data so that I don't have to stretch my neck. So you can see they have a bunch of keywords here: when to play piano online, where to play piano. So if you wrote an article on Medium and you add a bunch of some of these keywords, you rank for them as well. So that's another effective way of writing your own content. So who played the piano on Angle Rolling Stone? So that's irrelevant, so we don't want to target that keyword. So you look for those keywords that are relevant to your affiliate offer. Play piano for beginners. So that's another good one. You can add it as a subheading, how to play piano for beginners, or you can make it the title of your Medium article or Google Sites, whatever you're using to write the article. So as I promised, at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you the bonus. So if we head over to vidIQ and we put in the keyword piano for all, you can see that there's 12,000 people every month that type in this very keyword on YouTube. So let's head over to YouTube and see what's ranking, because you're gonna be shocked to see what's already ranking. So you can see that piano for all review after 1 month. So this person here made the video 10 months ago and he has 5,000 views on this very video, and he has only 1,000 subscribers. This is nothing. If you have a brand new channel that has about 0 subscribers, and you make a video, you can also show up in this very search results. Another video from a channel with only 519 subscribers, and the video was made 1 week ago. So you can see the power of YouTube. You don't even need to have a website, and that's why I like YouTube more than writing blog articles. So you should get onto YouTube if you want to make review videos, and it's gonna be simple for this product, because you can head over to the affiliate section right here. It's where it says yeah, where is it at? Request a review copy, right here. So you can go get on to Google, onto the email them, so you can see their email. Click on that and it will open up in the email them, ask for a review copy, they will give it to you. I have a review copy for this very product, so and I promote this very product on ClickBank, so they will give you a review copy, so long as you tell them your promotional strategy and how you're going to be promoting. Just ask for it, they will get back to you in just a matter of hours. It's a good thing to know if you want to do the YouTube method. If you want to do the YouTube method, ask for a review copy, take members area, what do they give, read through the PDFs and content given through the members area, and then head over to YouTube, make a video, use the same tags used by the top ranking video. So this video has only Piano for All, which is relevant, so you add Piano for All. Then head over to this other small channel here and use the same, add some of those tags in your and tag them on your video. Then what you would do is you head over to, let's add here review, copy everything, then we head over to Google and type in that very keyword and see what's ranking here. Then you write a description similar to one of the websites that are ranking here. So let me show you what I mean. So let's say we found a website that had a keyword, so Piano for is geared to complete beginner. So you can write this very description here in the description of your video, so that your video has a high chance of showing up on Google as well. I hope you get the idea. So we are optimizing our video not only for Google but also YouTube, so keep that in mind. So that is important. And if we head over to that very video that I showed you that was made, I think it's the first top ranking video. Yeah, I think this is the top ranking video. Okay, so this is the video here. I don't know why it's so slow. Okay, so this is the video here. You can see that if we scroll all the way through to the description, they are promoting the same exact offer. This product is a high quality product, and it's not like those other offers on ClickBank. This one is a good offer and I believe in it, so you should go on this offer, do the same YouTube strategy and promote the offer. So that's it for this video. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.